Hello viewers, Flipkart Freedom Sale is running on. There is an offer on iPad 11th generation. At present the price of iPad 11th generation is about 32,000 rupees, and with SBI credit card or major bank credit card you will get 2,000 rupees discount, so the effective price will be around 29,875 rupees. Should you buy this iPad right now at this price point? We will know about this in this video. iPad 11th generation is a very good iPad. It comes with a 16 Bionic chipset, so you can multitask with ease. Though it is a 60Hz display, app opening and closing is very fast and there is a smooth animation as you can see here. You can multitask so many apps at the same time and you will not notice any kind of hiccups. No Android tablet at this price point will give you such performance. If you want to use the beta version, in that case you can use iPadOS 26 beta version 2.0. Though there will be some bugs, so I would suggest you not to update to the beta version. Now the question arises, should you buy this iPad 11th generation at a price point of 29,875 rupees? The answer is no. The price of this iPad will definitely come down in next sale, that is Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival. If you want to know the best price of iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price for this iPad is around 26 to 27,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. And at 26,000 rupees this iPad is a great buy. But if you want to buy any tablet right now, you will get iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi variant at 26 to 27,000 rupees. So you should wait 1 month when you will get the discount on iPad 10th generation as well as on iPad 11th generation. With this iPad 11th generation, you can multitask, you can enjoy multimedia contents on YouTube, Netflix and many other OTT platforms. Stereo speakers are decent enough, and with A16 Bionic chipset you can edit your videos on the go. So let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation in this sale, or you can wait till Big Billion Days sale. If you want to know about the best deals on tablets and iPads, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you never miss any video whenever there is a deal. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.